Hey, what's up guys, Techtine here, and I am back again with a brand new video. Before I begin this video, you know how we do it. I want to thank you all so much for watching this one. I really greatly appreciate everybody and everyone for the support. Keep it going. You guys are awesome. So with that being said, let's go ahead and do this unboxing. I'm excited and kind of sad because this will be the last unboxing of these types of phones. So, this will be the last unboxing of LG smartphone. So this will be the unboxing of the LG Velvet. With that being said, let's just go ahead and get to it. The box is nothing crazy. It's just your typical AT&T box. There's not really information about the specifications of the phone or how the phone even looks like. So yeah, let's just go ahead and lift the lid and see what this phone is about. So lifting up the lid, you can already tell like this phone is crazy shiny. I mean, wow. So it does have some sort of rainbow effect, which is cool. But yeah, this phone has a damn near mirror finish. Shiniest phone I've ever seen in my life. There's another lid underneath there, so let's just lift it up. And oh my god, another lid. So I think this has your booklet and stuff. Well, wow, okay. AT&T really knows how to package the phones, huh? Okay. So you get in the box your LG fast charger, so you the fast wall adapter as well as your USB type B to USB type C. But forget all about that. Let's just go ahead and set up the phone. And we're here for the phone, right? We're not here for this weak box. Let's go. Alright, so the phone is finally set up and complete. So yeah, you have this 6.8-inch screen, which we'll talk about in a little bit. And you have this kind of teardrop notch, which you either like it or hate it. Me personally, I mean, I kind of get used to them quickly, so I don't find it like that obtrusive to me. And the back, again, it's really this crazy shiny back that makes it hard for me to actually shoot it properly on a camera. You can probably see reflections of a door, and it's crazy. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I like it though. It looks nice. I think if I got a different color, it would have looked better, but definitely gives it a clean, simple look. And on the back, you also have the triple camera setup, and the main sensor is a 48 megapixel sensor. You also have a 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 5 megapixel depth sensor, which the depth sensor, I mean, you can just throw that away. I'm here for only the wide and the ultra wide. And this camera can shoot 4K at 30 frames per second. It doesn't really have any optical image stabilization or anything like that, so that's definitely a downside when it comes to the camera. Now, the right hand side houses your power button. Because of the curved screen, it's in a thin slot between the edges of the curved screen and the edges of the phone itself. So on the left hand side, you have your volume up and down as well as your Google Assistant button. Now the bottom of the phone has your 3.5mm headphone jack, which has a high DAC, so if you have quality headphones, they will definitely take advantage of it. You also have two antenna bands for better signals, USB-C, a microphone, and a loud bottom facing speaker. So let's talk quickly about this display now, because so again, this is a 6.8-inch display. It's an OLED panel, curved, and has your teardrop front-facing camera notch. And this display is definitely quality. So the edge is kind of subjective. Me personally, I'm not really a big fan of it. I think a flat screen would have been better. The edge kind of is a little bit obtrusive to me. I don't really like it that much, but hey, it is what it is. And the phone itself feels really fast. So the specs on it are interesting. So this supports 5G, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G, and it is a 7nm architecture, and you have your Adreno 620. So definitely a little bit higher than mid-range specs. You have this particular model is 128 gigs at 8 gigabytes of RAM. So definitely plenty of RAM. And the crazy part about this phone is the fact that, first of all, the camera, it's looking like a promising camera. I mean, it takes some really decent picture. It takes really good pictures, definitely above average. And the overall thoughts on this phone are really positive. I mean, this phone has a lot going for it. It's definitely a really good phone, but I don't think it really matters at this point since LG is just parting ways with smartphones. But the crazy thing is that this phone only costs right now $350. So yeah, definitely great value. I wish I can recommend it, but the issue is that LG is dropping the smartphones. So it doesn't really make sense for me to recommend a phone that's not going to be supported for years to come. But I do want to make a review on the phone itself. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. This was just my unboxing and impressions. And if you want to see the full review, just make sure you keep up with the channel. I mean, I definitely publish videos as much as possible. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram tag down below. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you all so much for the support.